In this video, we're going to show you how to clean a GN ReSound hearing aid. The hearing aids can come in many different styles. They're behind the ear or custom, and they can be battery-based or rechargeable. To get started with cleaning, you'll need some supplies. So you'll use a brush, a cleaning cloth, and a package of filters. It's good to wipe down the hearing aid at least once a week and change the filter at least once a month, or sooner as needed. The first thing we're going to do is take our package of filters, and so we'll open up that package and remove one of the filter sticks from the package. On one side is your new filter, and the second side is where you're going to be putting the old filter. The first step is to remove the old filter. So this is your filter right here. You're going to take your filter stick, insert it into the hearing aid, pull it out, and then turn and use the new side of that filter stick and insert it into your hearing aid. Changing the filter for the behind the ear model is the exact same way, but first what you're going to want to do is you're going to first want to remove the dome. To remove the dome, you're going to brace the hearing aid and pull the dome off, and then you will take your filter stick just like before. With the blank side, you will insert that into where the white filter is to remove it. And then you'll pull it away and then turn and put your new filter on. Then you will want to put the dome back on, so you will turn the dome over and put the circular piece back over the speaker. Then we want to brush off our hearing aid. So what we will do is we will take our brush and we want to brush off the back of that hearing aid where those microphones are located. Gently brush over the top of the hearing aid to remove any dirt and debris. Wax or oil can build up at the end of the hearing aid, and so what you can use is the end of your brush. You can pick that wax and debris out of the dome to help keep it clear. Next, you'll want to take your cleaning cloth, and you can just do a basic wipe down of the hearing aid to remove any oil, debris that is accumulated onto the hearing aid. And that is how you clean your GN ReSound hearing aids.